यस लेट मी बिगिन बेटा. जो भी आपका क्वेश्चंस मैंने करवाया वहाँ से क्वेश्चन आगे कंटिन्यू करती हूँ. नेक्स्ट अनदर एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस आई एम डूइंग. ओके फाइन. सो आई थिंक दैट डे वी हैव डन ओनली वन क्वेश्चन. यस बेटा. एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन में एक क्वेश्चन है, दो क्वेश्चन. यस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई एम टेकिंग y इक्वल टू cos inverse of 3x plus 4 into under root of 1 minus x square the whole upon 5. Okay, whole upon 5. Now listen. Now this is called the we say polar form. So how to do this question? Now listen. So anyhow we cannot do directly differentiation. We have to give substitution. So how can we give substitution? See what I am writing, cos inverse of 3 by 5x and then plus a 4 by 5 into under root of 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square. Now give suitable substitution so that we get in terms of cos inside. Now listen. We only 1, 2, 3, 4 terms in a cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. We don't have any other alternate formula better. See, once if you give 3 upon 5 equal to cos A na, you go for right angle implies 100% sin A का value आएगा, that is 4 by 5. Cos A value 3 by 5 हो, sin A right angle triangle, or otherwise under root of 1 minus cos square A, that is up to your choice. Now this implies what I am doing here, tan A value I am finding, why I am finding I will tell you later on. Tan A equal to we will get it 4 by 3 implies A equal to we will get it tan inverse 4 by 3. Try to understand what I am giving substitution, how I am giving substitution. 3 by 5 if I take cos A, naturally sin A value is 4 by 5. We need common A, that's why I am finding tan A equal to 4 by 3 implies A equal to. And x is equal to, I am giving substitution, sin theta implies theta equal to, I will get it sin inverse x. Okay, fine. Now I am giving substitution y equal to cos inverse of 3 by 5. What is 3 by 5 beta? 3 by 5 is cos A. Cos A into x is sin theta and then plus 4 by 5. What is 4 by 5? Sin A into under root of 1 minus we will get sin square theta. Under root of 1 minus sin square theta, that is equal to cos inverse of, we will get it cos A sin theta and then plus sin A cos theta. Sin A cos theta. So what is the formula? That is equal to cos inverse of what is the formula? Sin A plus B. Am I correct? A plus theta. Now cos inverse here, anyhow. But we need in terms of cos, I can write cos inverse of cos, what I can write? Pi by 2 minus theta. So minus A minus theta, we will get it. Cos inverse cos cancel. Now if I replace y equal to the final answer, what we are getting better. For y equal to cos inverse cos cancel, that is pi by 2. Instead of A, I can write, I have tan inverse. So that's why A value, common value, tan value I find. Okay, now minus theta, what is theta here? Minus sin inverse x. Now you can do differentiation. This implies dy by dx is equal to pi by 2 differentiation is 0. Tan inverse minus 4 by 3, minus tan inverse 4 by 3. This is also totally constant 0. Minus sin inverse differentiation is under root of 1 minus x square. So sometimes they will ask to prove that dy by dx equal to 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. Are you clear this one, Peter? Are you clear? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now see Peter, next question I am taking y equal to cos inverse of, that means how to give substitution, that's I am explaining. Okay. How to choose, nothing is difficult. If you know trigonometric, inverse trigonometric formula, then quite easy one. Now see cos inverse, if you differentiate directly, that is quite difficult for you. So give suitable substitution so that we can simplify this function into, that means we can bring this function into simplest form. Now what I am doing, y equal to cos inverse of 1 minus 4 power x, I can write 2x the whole square. The whole upon this 4 power x, I can write 2x the whole square. Okay. Now देखिए कुछ strike हो रहा है आपका substitution. Yes. So 1 minus tan square upon 1. Yes beta. 2 power x is equal to what is substitution? Tan theta implies theta equal to, we will get it tan inverse of 2 power x. If I substitute everything here, this y equal to cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta the whole upon 1 plus tan square theta. Now that is equal to y equal to cos inverse of, we will get it to cos 2 theta. So that is equal to y equal to 2 theta. So that is y equal to 2 tan inverse, we will get it to 2 power x. Now differentiation, you know differentiation dy by dx equal to tan inverse का differentiation क्या है बेटा? What is the differentiation of tan inverse x?
1 by 1 plus x square.
X exactly, but then beta 1 by 1 plus x square. Here x is 2 power x का whole square into differentiation of 2 power x. What is the differentiation of 2 power x? Ax. What is the differentiation of ax? Ax into
log a.
Well done beta. Ax into log a. So 2 power x into log 2. So if you want to add this base same power को you can add it. So 2 power x plus 1 into log 2 the whole upon 1 plus 4 power x. Sometimes they will ask to prove that, so nothing is difficult. Whatever I am giving here, that is board questions. It is so easiest to one better keep it in your mind. Do it fast better. Do fast. Hurry up. राइट फास्ट बच्चे.
मैम एक चीज पूछनी थी, आपने सब्स्टिट्यूशन किया है, वहाँ पे उसकी जगह डायरेक्टली लिख सकते थे cos इनवर्स 1 माइनस x स्क्वायर 1 बाय x स्क्वायर, तो फिर को tan इनवर्स x ही तो होता है y इज इक्वल्स टू जो पहले स्टेप में था.
Which one बेटा? क्वेश्चन नंबर
यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन 2 ये थर्ड में हाँ
थर्ड में ये वन
इसमें यहाँ पे जो है cos इनवर्स 1 माइनस x स्क्वायर और 1 प्लस x स्क्वायर बन रहा है, तो 2 ने tan इनवर्स x ही तो हो गया.
tan inverse x, this one tan inverse, you have to write either tan inverse 2 power x directly. इसलिए मैं substitution दिया बेटा. Everybody cannot remember formula, that's why I have given substitution. If you want
वैसे कर सकते हैं, मैं वैसे 2 tan inverse of x हो जाएगा.
2 tan inverse x नहीं है बेटा, this becomes
मैम वो डायरेक्टली भी तो होता है cos इनवर्स 1 माइनस x स्क्वायर 1 बाय x स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 2 tan.
Yes, we have formula, you can write it, this becomes 2 tan inverse 2x, but
yes ma'am,
but if it is a 4 mark question, then you should give substitution better. You should give substitution.
Okay,
they will not allot this for one step, they will not give you 4 marks. Are you clear?
Okay,
so you should bring the function into simplest form. If I have written, then I will start another one. Have you written better? Say yes, no, बच्चे.
No, ma'am.
Right. Now next I am taking here y equal to sin inverse of 2 power x plus 1 into 3 power x the whole upon 1 plus 36 the whole power x. Okay. Now see here. Shall I start better? Explain. Have you written everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, better. Now listen. Our next question, another most important question. This one, y equal to sin inverse of something they have given. Now listen better. That's equal to sin inverse of. We can write this becomes 2 power x. Here is also you cannot do directly. You have to split something into 2 into 3 power x. Now 2 power x plus 1 I have split it into 2 part 1 plus 6x का whole square. Okay, fine. Now what I'm doing, that is equal to sin inverse of base, power same, base को we can multiply. So 2 into 6 power x the whole upon 1 plus 6. मतलब why I am taking all these questions, you should know how to bring this function into simplest form. What is the suitable substitution? If you know that one, differentiation is the last step we are using formula. Up to that we are bringing into simplest form. Now listen, then y equal to, आपको देख के पता चल रहा है sin inverse of 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So we have to give substitution. 6 power x is equal to tan theta implies theta equal to tan inverse of 6 power x. So y equal to sin inverse of, that is 2 tan theta the whole upon 1 plus tan square theta. So that is equal to sin inverse of, we will get it as sin 2 theta. So that is equal to, we will get it 2 theta. Then final answer y equal to 2 tan inverse 6 power x. Okay, now differentiation, that is dy by dx, that is equal to 2 upon tan inverse is 1 plus 6x का whole square into differentiation of 6 power x. So 6x into log 6, the final answer is 2 6 power 2 into 6 power x into log 6 the whole upon 1 plus, if you don't mind, that is 6 ka power x, we can write it. Are you clear? Are you clear, beta? Now see this question number 5 I am taking. This already you have done in NCERT, but same question how they asked here. Now see, this is also board question, 4 mark question, but they have manipulated this question. What they are asking, prove that, show that, और NCERT में proof some different था बेटा. So second derivative question जब पूछते हैं ना, you have to see what is the proof. As per that you have to carry first derivative and second derivative. Are you clear? Now see, what is this question? Now anyhow we need dy by dx. So direct differentiate मत करो, सबसे पहले y equal to something लेकर आने की कोशिश करो. Now I am taking tan inverse to that side. So 1 upon a log y, that is equal to, we will get it to tan x. Okay. Now a also I am taking that side. So log y equal to a tan inverse a tan x. This is I think simply tan. Okay. So this is tan inverse x and this is tan inverse x. Are you clear what I am saying? Okay, now listen, I need only y. If log goes to opposite side, that becomes e power something. जैसे inverse बोलते हैं, ऐसे log का inverse क्या होता है, e होता है, exponential होता है. If log goes to that side, so e power क्या हो जाएगा, वो function tan inverse x हो जाएगा. सेम क्वेश्चन आपने NCERT में किया, वहाँ पे miscellaneous का I hope so last question, वहाँ पे सेकंड डेरिवेटिव किया, प्रूफ में सम डिफरेंट प्रूफ था, यहाँ पे दे आर आस्किंग सम डिफरेंट प्रूफ. कैसे कैरी कर रही हूँ देखना. सो व्हाट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन दैट क्वेश्चन एंड दिस क्वेश्चन? लेट मी, dy by dx is equal to, if I differentiate e power a tan inverse x into differentiation of tan inverse x a upon 1 plus x square, a upon 1 plus x square. If I take 1 plus x square to that side, 1 plus x square into dy by dx, that is equal to a e power a tan inverse x. बेटा जब NCERT क्वेश्चन हमने किया था वहाँ पे मुझे और कुछ रिजल्ट चाहिए था, इसलिए दोबारा इसको डायरेक्ट मैंने डिफरेंशिएट किया. अब यहाँ पे देखो, इन केस इसको दोबारा डिफरेंशिएट करूँ, एक 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा, उधर साइड जाएगा होल स्क्वायर. यहाँ पे होल स्क्वायर दे रखा है, प्रूफ में नहीं दिया ना. सो यू डोंट वांट दैट होल स्क्वायर. सो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, that is equal to a into e power a tan inverse x की जहाँ पे क्या लिख रही हूँ y. So as per proof you have to carry your answer. That's keep in your mind. Now if I differentiate this, now I am going for second derivative. 1 plus x square I am keeping constant. dy by dx is d square y by dx square, plus if I keep dy by dx constant, 1 plus x square का differentiation 2x. So 2x into dy by dx, that's equal to a into y, a into, we will get dy by dx. Now if I collect all dy by dx one side, I will get it the final answer into d square y by dx square plus 2x minus a. This dy by dx I am taking this side into dy by dx. अब देखो बेटा प्रूफ आ गया. यही सेम क्वेश्चन एनसीईआरटी में सम डिफरेंट प्रूफ देखा था. 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर इंटू डी स्क्वायर बाई डी स्क्वायर, आई थिंक प्लस 2x इंटू डी बाई डी एक्स प्लस ए स्क्वायर वाई माइनस ए स्क्वायर वाई. दैट्स आई डोंट नो, सम डिफरेंट प्रूफ था, सेम क्वेश्चन बट क्वेश्चन ही उन्होंने मैनिपुलेट किया. सो हम किसी तरह क्वेश्चन को सेम लेकर आए. then what I required in proof वो मैंने देखा, as per that I brought the answer. Are you clear what I'm saying? Clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes beta, write down fast, hurry up. Now last question let me take, then I will give you homework question, then I will start application of derivative. Beta, have you done? Now see next, let me begin with it. Have it done? See yes, no yaar.
No, ma'am.
हाँ, do fast बच्चे, do fast. Yes.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now listen, beta, is the last question as per me. Then I will give you homework. I will explain you how to do all homework. Then you try your level best. Now see the last question. This is show that question, beta. Show that dy by dx equal to minus under root of 1 minus y square upon under root of 1 minus x square. What I told you, you see the proof what you required. Under root of 1 minus x square, when you will get, if you differentiate sin inverse x or cos inverse x, then only you will get this result. Clear? So you need here sin inverse, cos inverse, then only you will get final answer. Now listen. Already we have done one same question like this in the NCRT. There was a 0 here, right hand side 0, that's why I have taken the term that side squaring on both sides. Then हमने square root को हटाया, simplest form में लेकर आए, लेकिन वहाँ पे equal to 0. If I take this, then no use of this one. So what is the suitable substitution? आपको already I have given substitution under root of a square minus x square. If you want to remove under root, then what is the suitable substitution? Everything I told you. Now here what is the substitution? Of course आप बाहर देखो नहीं है तो अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस वाई स्क्वायर वाई इक्वल टू समथिंग सब्स्टिट्यूशन चाहिए और x इज इक्वल टू, नाउ आई एम गिविंग x इज इक्वल टू sin a and y इक्वल टू आई एम गिविंग sin b. ओके, नाउ दिस इंप्लाइज a इक्वल टू व्हाट वी विल गेट इन बेटा sin inverse x and b equal to what we will get in a sin inverse y. Now if I substitute this x is what, sin a and then under root of 1 minus sin square b and then plus sin b into under root of 1 minus sin square a, under root of 1 minus sin square a equal to 1. Now this becomes sin a, then cos b and then plus cos a and then sin b equal to क्या आएगा 1. Now sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, I hope so formula sin a plus b equal to 1. This implies a plus b equal to what we will get it, sin inverse 1. Now a is what? As per question, a is the sin inverse x, and then plus b is the sin inverse y. That is equal to what we will get it, sin inverse 1. Now let me differentiate. Sin inverse x का differentiation क्या है बेटा? Sin inverse x का differentiation 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square.
1 plus x.
Yeah, 1 minus x square. Sin inverse y. What is sin inverse y? Tell me. Tell me sin inverse y differentiation.
1 upon minus y square.
1 minus y square.
dy by dx.
Into dy by dx beta. If you are not writing, then there is no meaning of it. If you are differentiating x, then we will get it dx by dx 1. But here is y, then dy by dx equal to sin inverse 1 differentiation. Sin inverse 1 differentiation.
Pi by 2.
Beta, what happened to you? I am not asking principal value. Zero. It is a constant.
Value क्या है?
So sin pi by 2 is the principal value. Clear? So differentiation, it is completely constant. It becomes 0. This implies dy by dx is equal to क्या result आएगा बेटा? That is equal to, if I take the term that side, so minus under root of, यही था proof में. This is one of the repeated question. This one upon 1 minus x square. Are you clear? Are you clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do it. Then I will give you some homework. Then I will start application of derivative. If you have written, then tell me better. Have you written better? Yes. Have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now listen better. Next I am giving homework. I will explain you each and everything. So you have to do homework. It is compulsory. Now see question number 1. First write questions. Then I will explain you better. Question number 2. If y equal to sin inverse of x square into under root of 1 minus x square, and then plus y into this is 1 minus y square. 1 minus y square into y into under root of 1 minus x power 4. Then find the dy by dx. Find the dy by dx. Now next question number 3. If x power p into y power q equal to x plus y whole power p plus q, prove that dy by dx is equal to y upon x. Dy by dx equal to y by x. Now question number 4. If x is equal to 2 cos theta minus cos 2 theta and y equal to 2 sin theta minus 2 sin theta, sin 2 theta, prove that dy by dx is equal to tan 3 theta by 2. Each question, board question I am giving. Question number 5. If y equal to log x plus under root of 1 plus x square का whole square, then show that show that 1 plus x square into t square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx minus 2 equal to 0. Now next question number 6. If log x square plus y square equal to 2 tan inverse equal to 2 tan inverse y by x, 2 tan inverse y by x, show that dy by dx equal to x plus y upon x minus y. Now question number 7. This is a Rolle's theorem. You have to verify Rolle's theorem. Now f of x equal to part number 1. There are two question Rolle's theorem. F of x equal to sin x plus cos x. X belongs to closed interval 0 to pi by 2. Now number 1. This is number 2. F of x is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 2 का whole square. X minus 2 का whole square. X belongs to closed interval 1, 2. And then this is for LMV f of x equal to under root of 25 minus x square. X belongs to closed interval 1, 5. Beta, all questions are board questions, some most important questions. Anyhow, listen here. First, let me explain. Now stop writing, beta, everybody. Now listen. Sin y equal to x into cos a plus y. Show that में देखना cos square. Numerator is cos square. We never get numerator cos square, sin square, whole square we never get. So you have to do one thing, manipulate this question, keep x's right hand side, cos a plus a, bring it left side. That is x is equal to sin y upon cos a plus y. Then apply quotient rule. Then you should bring dy by dx, you will get an answer. The same question we have done in NCERT also. Now see question number 2 beta. सभी सुन रहे हैं बच्चे? Are you listening? Yes. Yes beta. Now listen. This is another most important question. Same type question मैंने किया है. What I told you, sin inverse. So we need inside formula sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay, इसके अलावा और कोई alternate नहीं है. Now listen. Further, what I told you, you see outside under root. As per that, you have to give substitution. What I am giving substitution, x square equal to sin a. ये आप note आपके लिए दे रही हूँ बेटा. And y equal to outside here, y equal to what is it, sin b. Now here a equal to, we will get it a sin inverse x square, and b equal to, we will get it sin inverse y. Now listen here, अलग ये क्वेश्चन बता रही हूँ बेटा substitution. अब क्या आएगा, listen यहाँ पे क्या दिया, x square की जहाँ से sin a रखोगे, y की जहाँ से क्या रखोगे, sin square b, तभी तो फॉर्मूला आएगा. sin a x square की जहाँ से sin a और y की जहाँ से sin b हो जाएगा sin a cos b प्लस y की जहाँ से sin b. यहाँ x पावर 4 है, आपने x स्क्वायर का क्या दिया, sin a ना, स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड. सो x पावर 4 का वैल्यू क्या आएगा, sin स्क्वायर a. सो यहाँ पे sin a 1 माइनस sin स्क्वायर b cos b हो जाएगा प्लस यहाँ पे sin b, यहाँ हो जाएगा 1 माइनस sin स्क्वायर a. फॉर्मूला आ जाएगा. फिर डिफरेंशिएशन तो करना आता है, इसको कैसे करना है समझ आए बेटा? से यस नो, say yes no.
Yes ma'am.
Yes.
Now see beta question number 3. Question number 3, without log don't go far. Otherwise quite difficult to bring the answer. If you do directly you can do it. I'm not saying you cannot do it. Definitely you can do it. Otherwise if you take log it is quite easy for you. So if you take log we will get log m into n, log m plus n. That is p log x plus q log y equal to p plus q into log x plus y. Then do differentiation. Whenever you are doing log y differentiation, 1 upon y into dy by dx, don't forget to write dy by dx. Then collect all dy by dx, the remaining term you have to take. Then definitely you will get answer is y by x. Some common factor cancel हो जाएगा. You will get this result. Now see question number 4. X is equal to something given, y equal to. सबसे पहले आप differentiate करो. dx by d theta, dy by d theta. जब dy by dx निकालोगे ना, वहाँ पे आपको ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फार्मूला यूज करने पड़ेगा. दैट इज साइन ए प्लस साइन बी फार्मूला. 4 फार्मूला देखा था ना, सी एंड डी फार्मूला इज 11th वे. साइन ए प्लस साइन बी, कॉस ए प्लस कॉस बी, साइन ए प्लस कॉस बी. That formula you have to use, you will get a result directly, tan 3 theta. Matlab, you have to use a to-go formula, simple differentiation, use to-go formula, you will get a result. This is also one of the repeated question, beta 4 mark question. Now see question number 5, y equal to log of something whole square. जब differentiate करोगे, dy by dx equal to सबसे पहले whole square, 2 into log x plus under root of 1 plus x square into differentiation of log 1 upon into differentiation of bracket. Mind it, बहुत ध्यान से करो, फिर डिनोमिनेटर टर्म का लेफ्ट साइड में लेकर आओ, फिर अगेन डिफरेंशिएट करो, आराम से रिजल्ट आएगा. वंस अगेन व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू. सो इसको होल स्क्वायर पहले डिफरेंशिएट करोगे, फिर लागू को करोगे, फिर ब्रैकेट को करोगे. जब ब्रैकेट करोगे, ये करोगे, यहाँ पे अंडर रूट करोगे, फिर 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर का करोगे. माइंडेड, बहुत ध्यान से करो, सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में लेकर आओ, प्यार से रिजल्ट आ जाएगा. नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, log of, ये तो डायरेक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन, नो सब्स्टिट्यूशन, नथिंग, डायरेक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन. डू इट, डिफरेंशिएट बोथ साइड. दिस इज implicit function, then dy by dx निकाल, आराम से रिजल्ट आ जाएगा. Now Rolle's here, you can remember since it is trigo function, therefore continuous in closed interval, differentiable in open interval. Then f of a क्या आएगा, f of 0 sin 0 plus cos 0 1 हो जाएगा. और f of b क्या आएगा, f of pi by 2 sin 90 1 हो जाएगा, ये तो 0 हो जाएगा. So f of a equal to क्या आ गया, f of b. Then there exists a constant c such that f dash of c equal to 0. So sin c equal to cos c, that is tan c equal to 1 आ जाएगा आपके पास. tan c 1 हो, c का वैल्यू पाई बाई 4 आएगा, पाई बाई 4 पक्का ब्रैकेट के अंदर आएगा. सेम दिस इज अल्जेब्रिक टर्म है, ये पता है आपको, और ये एलएम भी इसी क्वेश्चन में वेरीफाई करोगे. सी मैक्सिमम कितने कर सकते हैं, दैट्स आई हैव डन. व्हेन स्कूल रीओपन वी विल डू thoroughly this differentiation. First you should thoroughly go through NCERT, do well practice, then start do extra questions. Then only you can do it, otherwise it is impossible. Are you clear beta? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Write down, note down homework question, then I will start application of derivative. Just a simple introduction I will give. Have you written beta? Yes beta. Beta, time is running fast, do fast.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Yes.
Sir.
Beta, very carefully you have to do homework beta. Again I am saying, I don't know how much seriously you are taking. It is not so easy. I am running each topic, each subtopic very slow. So please, we can do revision but we cannot cover up syllabus. That's in your mind. You can do it. Now listen, I am starting another topic, that is application of derivative. Another most important topic, write down better, application of derivative. Weightage, whatever I have given, but they will change. You know, this time board is saying, CBS is saying 30% syllabus will reduce. Let us see which chapter they are reducing. Suppose if they reduce, then it will increase. Weightage will increase for this application of derivative. Every topic a weightage will increase. Now basic formula I am giving, then I will introduce tomorrow. Now let me see. Start right, everybody. Don't wait for me. Now first let us take cone. Without a diagram, there is no simple application we are using here in derivative. Clear? So without a diagram, don't go. This is a cone. Cone is height is this, slant height, and this is radius. Okay, fine. Now what is volume of cone? Better tell me volume of cone. Yes, 1 by 3 pi r square. Now, what is curved surface area of cone? Curved surface area, that is simply be denoted by S. Simply volume is denoted by V. That is pi r L. Now, total surface area. Total surface area, or otherwise simply we say surface area. This is also denoted by S. That is equal to, what is total surface area? Total surface area, what is meaning of total? Curved surface plus the top area, bottom area, that is called total surface. So here is bottom is, that is, you just imagine it, cone, that is ice cream cone. So that is upper circle shape. So that is curved surface is pi r I and then plus pi r square. Now next to take it, this is a cone. Now cylinder. Cylinder we have cylinder shape, you know, like this. Okay, fine. Now this is height and this is radius. Now volume of cylinder is, that is equal to pi r square h. Now what is curved surface area? Curved surface area is 2 pi r h. Now total surface area, there are different total surface area. If it is open, in case open cylinder, then surface area, total surface area, क्योंकि what I told, curved plus bottom area, top तो open है. So open cylinder के लिए क्या होगा आपका? S is equal to pi r square plus 2 pi r h. And then if it is a closed cylinder, better without all these formula you cannot do anything in application of derivative. If it is a closed cylinder, that becomes 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Are you clear? Now next I am taking cone हो गया, sphere. Beta, are you listening? Yes. Yes. Now sphere you know shape, just like ball you take it. Now volume of sphere is a 4 by 3 pi r cube, and then curved surface area and total surface area, one and the same thing. Curved surface area and total surface area, I think 4 pi r square. Okay, so because this is complete whole shape, so that's why total and curved one and the same thing. Next I am taking semi-sphere, that is half. Okay, sphere. So that is like this, better, like this. Okay, now volume of hemisphere. So that is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. And then this is curved surface area. Now curved surface area is different from total surface area in this cylinder. This is r cube. Now this is 2 pi r square. Total surface area equal to, I think, 3 pi r square, क्योंकि curved is 2 pi r square and top एक circle shape, so 1 pi r square will be added. So total is 3 pi r square. Okay, fine. Now next equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, you know this is shape. There is no volume. Area of equilateral triangle equal to root 3 by, I am taking side is a, root 3 by 4 a square. And perimeter, we have perimeter equal to 3a. Okay. Now next we have cuboid. That's I have not written, cuboid. So cuboid shape, you know everybody, like rectangle shape. Very clearly you have to draw it like this. Now what is volume of cuboid? LBH. That is LBH. Now curved surface area, that is we say lateral surface area here. Lateral surface area 2h into L plus B. And then total surface area, that is equal to twice of LB plus BH plus HL. Now cube, next I am taking cube cube is a square shaped like this. Okay. Now volume of cube is A. Side I am taking A. Now total lateral surface area, LSA, lateral surface area, that is 4A square. Total surface area, that is 6A square. Beta, have you written? Are you writing? Yes, no? Yes, beta. Hello? Now next to see the last one. Just 2-3 formula let me. Okay. Now that is, next I am taking circle. Circle area equal to pi r square, and perimeter we know circumference that is equal to 2 pi r circumference, and then next square area 4a, that is a square, then perimeter, that is 4a, rectangle area LB, and then perimeter, that is twice of L plus B. Okay, clear? Thank you.